Okay, I'm going to talk to you a little bit about updating your WordPress installation and some things to keep in mind. So when you log into your WordPress, if it's, if you go a couple of weeks without logging in, you might come to something like this. This is a site that, it's the test site that I have, and it looks like Ninja Forms is warning me that it wants me to clean up the old form versions. Backup Buddy has new, so this is, just going to dismiss that. Stumble upon, let's see, personal data, this is GDPR stuff. I'm going to dismiss it for now. Read everything and add or remove or dismiss or act upon. Stumble upon is no longer a sharing platform. So that's that's the social warfare plugin. Okay, thank you, I understand. These are updates are available. I'm going to update them a different way. So WooCommerce, run the updater. I'm going to keep this here because I'm going to run the updater. Store doesn't have a secure server. Okay, connection, and that's something. If you see that, by the way, you contact me. This I need to. Like I said, I haven't used this in a while. WooCommerce update. Yes, I'm going to do that. So some of them you'll get rid of, and it's going to come back. Welcome to WordPress, dismiss. And now we can see here there are updates there for needed. And on our dashboard you can see Backup Buddy has 0 edits since last backup, and the backup was reset. So I know that I can now back up the site without a problem. If you don't have Backup Buddy running on your site, you can also back up through your cPanel. And I have another video on how to back up a cPanel. You can look at it in WebsByAmy.com/support. I have a knowledge base there, and you can, there's a cPanel subject category, and you can see how to back up your cPanel in there. So it's always a good idea before you do updates to make sure you have some kind of update running. Again, if it's Backup Buddy, if there's like 10 edits, you've done some work on your site since the last backup, maybe I have it set to once a week or twice a week, you're going to want to run it manually. And how you'd run it manually is you find Backup Buddy here on the sidebar. There we go, Backup Buddy. And then you can go right to backup, and I'm not going to actually run it right now. You can click complete backup, and it runs. It just runs for you until it's done. And then go back up to the dashboard, and now we're going to run the updates. Okay, so rule of thumb, start from the bottom and work your way to the top. You're going to update your themes if there's any, so the themes are up to date. Plugins, I'm going to select them all and update them this way. The other way to do that is if inside your plugins, and I'll just kind of navigate to over there. If you have any trouble updating your plugins, you can actually update it right from the plugin updater inside the plugin menu. So here we have plugins right underneath appearance, and there you go, you're updated. So you can go right down and update them down the line like this. But for the most part, you'll be working through your dashboard updates. Again, working from the bottom on up. We're going to select all of these plugins and hit Update Plugins. And in about a minute, one by one, they'll say, okay, this is updated, this is updated, this is updated. If you do not see this, if it says done, sometimes you'll go back up to updates and it will say, you still have 3 updates required. So then you would have to go to your plugins and just do it manually. And just a note, even if you have a plugin that you do not have activated, you still have to update it. Plugins update to match WordPress's updates. So when WordPress has a security update or a major update, it can affect how other things that run on the WordPress installation work. So plugin developers stay up to date by getting beta versions of the next version of WordPress so that they can make sure that their plugin will be compatible when that is rolled out. So they put out an update generally in advance of a WordPress update. So since security updates are for the most part applied automatically, plugin developers will push an update, but you have to update that manually. Plugins do not update themselves. So here we have WordPress is up to the latest version, so you're good to go. Ninja Forms wants a data cleanup, so I do not want emails. Thank you very much. I do not want try our new. Okay, that's annoying. Ninja Forms. I don't know how to tell it I don't want that. So that's kind of annoying. So once in a while, so click here to begin. Clean up my data. Okay. So some of the plugins that you have can be a little aggressive at trying to get you to upgrade to a premium version of it, or to in some other way, interact with them in a way you might not be wanting to. So I guess this is running. Go back to dashboard and see if that went away. Okay, WooCommerce, run the updater. We've got our backups in line, and let's run this. Database is being updating. Okay, so it's updating the WooCommerce database in the background. So pretty much you're done here. So you've updated your site. We've talked about backing it up, whether it be Backup Buddy locally or through your cPanel if you don't have Backup Buddy. Look for the cPanel backup. It should be with this video. Probably under the video is how to back up your installation manually, and then run your updates. Themes first, then plugins, then WordPress if it needs an update, and then do any kind of posting that you want to do. The best thing to do is, like I said, have everything backed up before you do it, just in case. If you have any questions, feel free to contact me through WebsByAmy.com/support. Open a trouble ticket. Take care and happy blogging.